So good morning and Jai Hind everyone. As you all know that we have started our new chapter decimals, and yesterday we have done the introductory part. Today we will be doing little bit of questions which will be related to the chapter decimals, which will be in introduction part only. ठीक है? कैसे fraction, because I told you every fraction can be converted in the form of decimal. ठीक है? तो हम लोग बहुत सारा डिटेल में तो नहीं जाएंगे डेसिमल के, बिकॉज आप लोग इसको पढ़ोगे फर्दर इन क्लास 7th एंड 8th इन अ वेरी डिटेल्ड मैनर, बट 6th में हाउ मच वी हैव टू स्टडी दैट मच वी विल कवर अप, बट हम लोग थोड़ा सा एडवांस भी पढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे. ठीक है, तो हम लोग बहुत सारी चीजें जो 7th की है दैट विल बी आल्सो कवर्ड इन माय क्लास टुडे. ठीक है, so please let us focus on this part which I am going to start from today. So you can see the question which is written on the board right now. Convert into decimal. This is our heading of today. And as we all know that we have Mini today, and Mini is having the birthday today. And she has completed, she is now 11 years old now. So I have taken her age 11. And now we are starting from the first denominator, that is 10. तो हम लोग पहले 10 डिनोमिनेटर वाले नंबर्स को चेंज करके देखेंगे, फिर हम लोग 100 वाले को चेंज करके देखेंगे, देन वी विल बी डूइंग इट फॉर 1000, देन वी विल बी डूइंग इट फॉर मोर नंबर्स. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले आई एम टेकिंग द फर्स्ट डिनोमिनेटर इन द डेसिमल सेक्शन, दैट इज 10. So we are taking from 10 now. So 11 by 10. Always remember बेटा, जब भी हम डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, so we always watch this zeros. How many zeros we have? ठीक है, right now will you speak how many zeros we have? जल्दी बताइए. Only 1 0. ठीक है, तो जब हमारे पास 1 0 होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, वी जस्ट रिमूव दिस डिनोमिनेटर. जब हम डेसिमल में लिखते हैं, वी रिमूव दिस डिनोमिनेटर. इस नंबर को हम एज इट इज लिखेंगे. व्हाट वाज द नंबर? 11. तो 11 का 11 आ गया. उसके बाद वी विल वॉच कितने जीरो है, ओनली 1 0 है, तो हम बैक से काउंट करेंगे. वी विल बी काउंटिंग फ्रॉम बैक. वी विल बी काउंटिंग ओनली बिकॉज 1 0 था, तो हम 1 नंबर काउंट करेंगे. This is one number and we will put a decimal. Finished. This is our answer. 1.1. ठीक है, how easy it is. Now let's try one more question to understand. Suppose you have a question this time 223. ठीक है, 223 divided by 10. अब इसको आपको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है. ठीक है, नाउ लुक एट हियर वंस अगेन. हम क्या करेंगे, ये नंबर एज इट इज लिख देंगे पहले. 223 223. I have written this. Now how many zeros we have? 1 or 2? Tell me how many zeros we have, beta? Only 1. So अब क्या करेंगे, we will be counting from backwards. ये है 3. So only one number we will choose and we will put the decimal. Finished. Now tell me, it was easy or it was tough? Very easy. चलो, so can I give you four questions? चलो, try this out. 8183 upon 10. Question number D. 27 by 10. And third one is 443 upon 10. चलो फटाफट से ट्राई करो. I have given you 3 questions. I'll give you more questions when I will rub this. ठीक है? Oh, very good. You have done it also. So as you all can see, the question number C which I gave you 183 by 10. So the answer will be simply 18.3. ठीक है, decimal before only one number. From back side 27 by 10, you will have the number answer as 2.7. One number you will choose it back side and then you will be putting the decimal. The last one 443 upon 10, it means the answer would be 44.3. Now students, please speak your marks by your name as well. So students, this time I gave you these three questions to try because process was already told by me. But this time the numbers are different in denominator, है ना? We have more number of zeros, but process will remain the same. ठीक है, आपको क्या करना है? Number will as it is, number will be as it is. हम इसको कुछ नहीं करेंगे. So which will be having 4438. This would be 432. नंबर एज इट इज आ गए. अब सिर्फ काउंट करो नीचे कितने जीरो है हमारे पास. वी हैव 2 zeros. सो वी विल स्टार्ट काउंटिंग फ्रॉम बैक साइड एंड 2 नंबर चूज करेंगे और उसके पहले डेसिमल. ठीक है, हमेशा याद रखो काउंटिंग फ्रॉम बैक साइड, नॉट फ्रॉम काउंटिंग फ्रंट, है ना. नाउ थ्री zeros, then put the decimal up before 3 zeros from back side. Now 2 zeros here. Now again count from back side and then put the decimal here. ठीक है, this is the easiest way which you have never imagined. ठीक है, now speak your name one by one and tell your marks also. So this time question level is little different, little I will say. अब देखो यहाँ पे अभी तक हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे, when we were having the numbers in denominator like 100, 1000 or whatsoever, हम पहले से नंबर को लिख लेते थे और उसके पीछे काउंट करके we were putting the decimal. But this time, if I'll write here 1 by 1000, I have number 1. ठीक है, मेरे पास 1 तो है, लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर में मेरे पास 3 0 है. That means I have to put decimal before three places. But हमारे पास तो 3 places है ही नहीं. Then what we will do this time? So what we will do? You आपको ऐसा कुछ करना है. Yes, you have to put zeros. अब now you are knowing कि अगर हम बैक में 0 लगा देंगे तो देन इट मींस इट विल बिकम 1000. हमें ऐसा कुछ करना है कि 1 1 ही रहे और जो हमारा नंबर है वो भी बदल जाए. ठीक है, इट मींस वी विल गेट द नंबर्स आल्सो. इट मींस वी कैन पुट zeros इन फ्रंट, बिकॉज अगर हम 1 को ये लिख दें तो व्हाट विल यू रीड इट? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट विल यू रीड दिस? You will read 1 only. ठीक है, and if I'll write this, then what will you read? Okay, and if I'll read, if I will put this, then what will you read? 1. But if I will read this, I will write it down this, then what will you read? Okay, it means I cannot put zeros at the back, but I can put the zeros in front. ठीक है, because it will never change the meaning of the question. So remember, आप उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? You can put as many zeros you want as per your wish in front. Do not put zeros at the back. Always put zeros in the front so that you can you will not change the meaning of the question also and you will do the question also. So now look at here the number जितने zeros की आपको जरूरत है you can give zeros. ठीक है, दे दिया. अब now put the decimal. देखो 1 2 3. Now you have 3 zeros. It means count करेंगे back से and you will be putting the decimal in front. So 1 2 3. So our answer would be 0.001. Now I am writing one question here. You try this out and understand. आप सोच कर देखिए कि आपको समझ आया कि नहीं आया. इस क्वेश्चन को ट्राई करके देखिए आपको ये प्रोसेस समझ में आई कि नहीं आई. जस्ट चेक इट वंस. So always remember, as many places you want on the numerator, you can put as many number of zeros. ठीक है, but remember you have to always keep in your mind that the zeros which you are putting, it should be always at front, not back. So I am giving some questions to you so that you can solve it. This time I'll give you 5 questions, 10 marks. Just check this out, how many you are able to solve it. Chalo. Start noting down these questions which I am writing. 18 by 10,000. Second question, 3138 upon, once again, it's 1000, 10,000 I am taking, sorry, this time lakh I am taking, huh? C question, 53 upon 1000. D question, 5 by 100,000, and the next question is 1 by 10,000. Try this question. Questions level is little harder, but this time let me see how many of you are able to do the correct solution. So I have given you this time question little bit lengthy. So just process will remain same. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 4 places, but we have only 2 places. And one more place we want for putting decimal also. So it means total 5 places we need, but we have only 2 places at the numerator. So we will have here 3 more zeros. Okay, and now put the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer would be 0.0018. Okay, you can have 0.0018, that is also fine. Okay, now let's do the question number B. Now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but above we have only 4 places. So it means we need 2 more places here now. So our answer would be 0.03138. I am writing this time direct answer. Okay. So the answer would be 0.03138 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. Okay. Now watch it. The C1. 53 and 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 4 places, but we have only 2 places here. So here you will have 0053. Now कितने numbers के पीछे decimal लगाना है? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So here the answer would be 0.053. This is another one. Now let's watch the D1. 1, 2, 3. So the answer would be 0.005. Okay, because one place we had already, but we want 2 more. So here it is now 0.005 would be the answer. Now let's watch the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is only one place. So we will have 3 more zeros here in front, and this would be now decimal. So 0.001. ठीक है, रिमेंबर जितने जीरोस आपके डिनोमिनेटर में होते हैं बेटा उतनी ही प्लेसेस काउंट करके आपको डेसिमल पुट करना है फ्रॉम बैक साइड. ठीक है, यू कैन टेक एज नंबर ऑफ जीरोस विच यू वांटेड इन द नंबर्स. ठीक है, सो दिस वाज द प्रोसेस. नाउ मे आई नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव स्कोर्ड 10 आउट ऑफ 10. And now see this, how to read decimal. Abhi right now you have seen I was writing the number and I was reading in a little different way. See, suppose you have a number like this, how to read this? Suppose agar aapko maine bola jaye you have a number 100, so you will be simply reading it 100. theek hai, if I will be writing here 1 by 4, you will be telling ma'am it is written 1 by 4. theek hai, yeah, you can say 1 upon 4, that is also fine. If you have a number like 114, how will you read it? You will read it 1 whole 1 by 4. This is called reading. ठीक है, but अगर हम decimal में number दे दें, then how will you read it? Look at here, 100. This is a whole number part. इसको हम साथ में पढ़ेंगे 100. ठीक है, so this is totally 100. You have read it 100. Now decimal. So you can call it decimal also. You can call it point also. So it can be read as 100 point. ठीक है, 100 point. Now do not read this together. What will we read it? We will read it one by one. एक एक करके पढ़ेंगे. कैसे देखो? Yes, correct. We will be reading as 100.348. We will not be reading as 348. 100.348. No, it will be the wrong one. ठीक है? Now let me tell you this question. Please read it in your mind. अपने दिमाग में इसको रीड करके देखो. Then we will be discussing what was the answer. चलो. One, no need to write on copy. Just you watch this. 1428.323 इसको क्या रीड करेंगे? Just do it on in your mind only, and then we will be matching this. हाँ, done, good. चलो, let's try this. 1000 इसको साथ में पढ़ेंगे. 1428.323. How many of you read it right? कितने लोगों ने सही पढ़ा? Okay. Now students, how will we read these numbers? Now match it in your mind only. 0 point, because there is no whole number, only written 0. अगर मैं यहाँ पर डेसिमल बस लगा देती तब भी हम इसको 0 ही पढ़ेंगे बेटा, ठीक है? So if there is no number written before decimal, then also we will be calling it 0 only. So we will be reading as 0.4382. We will be reading like this, ठीक है? Now this question we have whole number as 10. तो इसको साथ में पढ़ेंगे 10. 10.408. Now finished. Tell me, have you understood or not? So students, now you have seen that the previous question which we were discussing, that was convert into decimal. So आपको पता है कि अगर कोई चीज दूध से दही बनी है तो दही से दूध वैसे तो रियल लाइफ में नहीं बनता है, बट हम लोग कैसे उसको लेकर आए हैं, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी दैट, ठीक है? Now see that we have done in the previous way fraction to decimal. Now we are doing it decimal to fraction. ठीक है? The process will remain as it is जो अभी आपने पढ़ी थी. Now look at here. Suppose your question is 1.3. तो अब इस बार आप रिवर्स जाइए. कैसे रिवर्स जाएंगे? You are knowing that if किसी भी नंबर का डिनोमिनेटर नहीं है, मतलब सबका मालिक एक. If there is no denominator, then it means you have denominator as 1. ठीक है? So the number would become 1.3 upon 1. ठीक है? Now you can see decimal के बाद how many values are here? Only one value. ठीक है? So जब आप decimal हटाएंगे तो you will have only 1 0 at the denominator. जैसा हमने इसके पुराने वाले क्वेश्चन में पढ़ा था, we were counting the zeros in denominator and then we were putting the decimal there. So इस बार क्या कर रहे हैं? We are removing the decimal from the top and we are putting the decimal at the denominator place. Now look at here. We are removing this decimal. Only one value we have, so the answer would become 13/10. Let's try one more. 115 and the decimal is here. Now you have to convert in the form of fraction. How will we do that? 115. I have removed the decimal. Now how many places we're having after decimal? Only one place. So we will have here 10 only. Now you tell me, have you understood this process, what I have explained right now? Yes or no, please reply. Okay. Suppose if I will give you, okay, tell me what should be this answer. Very good, very nice. Because after decimal you have two places. So the number would become 1162 upon, there was two places, so there would be two zeros. I hope you have understood this one. Yes or no? Please reply. Okay. So this was the last question of today.